Oh, now it's recording. Well, we're finally here. Finally getting to go through customs. There's Dad. Got all this crap taken care of. But we're in Costa Rica. Okay, so after having the world's rudest fucking immigration officer, like giving us the 3rd degree, we are finally out and into the rental garage. And Dad found his golf clubs, thank goodness. And we're about to go to the badass rental car. Oh shoot. So this is about a 1988 Nissan Silvia, something that you just do not see in the United States ever. Okay, Monday morning in Costa Rica. Here we go. This is at our hotel. Here's the pool. I'm gonna get some breakfast.
So nice. We came out here, they have it open real late. We came out here like midnight. We were swimming around. Las Luces, I'm guessing that's the lights. Trash up off the ground so animals don't get to it.
I'm taking a video. Wow. There it is. The Pacific Ocean.
Hotel monkeys. 5 monkeys.
Awesome.
Toughest one. Las Luces, is that the lights?
Yes. Whoa, this is steep. He's a badass longboarder.
Boy, this is some road.
It'd be fun on my bike, my mountain bike. Jamming down this.
In 200 meters, turn left. Take the next left, then your destination will be on the right.
This is awesome. Oh man. So our destination's on the right.
Well, this is...
I just watched this dog hunt down and kill that iguana. And he's probably gonna eat it. Good job, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Isla Tortuga. in the ferry going back. Oh, lost in the maze. We made it, got here on time. We just turned a 50-minute drive into 35 minutes because we hauled ass. All right, go back to mainland. Ahorita nos encontramos una natación de los locales. Y estamos llegando al San José de Punta Arenas. What do you see? Huh, they don't like swimming over here, huh? Oh, so they must swim down here. Yeah, that's cool. Look at the rocks. Oh, they made that, huh?
What?
Or no, that's natural.
No, that's not true.
But they poured that wall against it right there.
Over there?
Yeah. Nice little local.
They made all that. See all
Yeah.
that? They made that.
This is just the neighborhood fishing hole.
Uh-huh.
And it's just under a bridge
Careful though.
in the hills.
Make sure that
Oh, badass ride.
can't
Badass. Okay, we are here at Pollos Malé. Dad has been waiting. He's inspecting trash. Dad's been waiting 13 years to try this out. So we're gonna see if it's everything that he's been waiting for. Go. His favorite chicken. Oh yeah. Pollos Malé. Oh, there it is. Oh, this is what he's been looking for. But no chickens on it. Dad found a dead butterfly. Too bad. But no live ones. We're in the National Museum of Costa Rica. And this is supposed to be their little indoor butterfly sanctuary. But maybe it's not the right time of year, or maybe it's not the right time of day. But we don't see any. Or they're in cocoons. Oh yeah, these ones aren't sleeping. They're not out yet.
Those are cocoons.
So the guy over there said that the butterflies go to sleep when it rains. They don't like being out in the rain. Now we're going back outside. I don't know what this place is gonna have. This is a really old building, obviously. Jail cells.
This is the old prison. What they said.
Oh. This is what Dad really wanted to see. The big stone balls.
It's granite. It's not concrete.
Yeah, it's granite.
It's amazing. Just look at the curve of it.
One piece.
It's utterly perfect.
Well, I don't know if it's perfect.
They run the,
got big chunks out of it, but
no, I mean the arc. They take the calipers and they run them around every direction, and they don't miss by more than about this far anyway.
oh, so it goes into the ground spherical also.
Yeah, if you just rotated it over, it would.
This one doesn't look perfect. I don't know if it's an optical.
No, some of them are not exactly perfect, and that's the whole school of thought that they banged them out with rocks. But if they banged them out with rocks, how in the world did they make the arcs?
Yeah, it looks a little bit oblong to me.
They said some of them are not perfect.
Dad found somebody to talk to a lot. This museum is beautiful.
For us, and he says, I think in another 40 or 50 years, there will be less Spanish spoken here than English, because they're teaching so much English in the schools. And the white man showed up and said, no, we use this in Europe for money.
Yeah.
And so they started stealing it around.
That's great.
And of course, anytime they made something like this,
Yeah,
when all the conquistadors came over, they were all Christian Catholics.
Yeah.
And so these people who make this are sinners.
Interesting how they formed like pieces.
Yeah, very like
Details.
well, and very like wingy. Everything is kind of like has wings.
Yeah, look at those
Yeah.
wings on things.
That must be a nice key accessory. For them.
They are all bird like representative though, so the wing features aren't that confusing to me.
That one.
Yeah, it is
What
beautiful.
is that creature?
Scorpions.
Where do you see a scorpion?
Oh yeah, down here. Look at
Oh yeah, but not with wings. That's a
the craftsmanship. It's unbelievable. How long did it take you, to sit there and
Yeah, I know.
just keep working that, working that, working that?
and how old is it?
And how old is it now?
They can't date this stuff because there's no carbon in it.
They don't know. The Mayans is what gets the claim on it. Oh, it's the Mayans, but a lot of the Mayans, they showed up, just like the Incas showed up in South America and go, hey, that stuff was here when we came.
Yeah.
It was already here. So we don't know what it is.
The conquerors used to think that Costa Rica has a lot of gold, but this was actually false. And Costa Rica is it could be that the name Costa Rica originates from the idea that Costa Rica had a lot of gold, but it's actually not the case.
Why did they call it rich coast then? That's what it means, rich coast.
Rich in gold, but
Rich in gold.
it was like just with Mexico or in other Latin America countries, there was more gold. But
Even more.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cloud forest. We're on the Continental Divide. Water that way goes to the Pacific. Water that way goes to the Atlantic. So our hotel was up around the corner, but this is El Cocal, which is a beachfront badass hotel. And we just got a free upgrade to their upgraded portion, which is the suites. Locked courtyard, parking ramp, and upgraded room for free. Yeah. This guy's gonna do a wheelie with one leg. One leg, this motherfucker has one leg. Oh yeah! That's legit right there. That guy has pedal. Okay, ahora. One leg wheelie. Oh shit. Una piedra. Very sad day. I'm leaving Hako. Last day. Pool party the other night. But maybe I'll come back here and this will be a different place. They're building a club right there. Bye, Hako. Driving in the jungle on our last day of Costa Rica, and Dad's driving, and we're going over toward the Caribbean a little bit. We are on, I think already, the other side of the Continental Divide, where everything flows into the Caribbean instead of the Pacific. But just thought I would take some footage because it is just gorgeous. So thick. Man, we're hauling ass. Cloudy on the Caribbean side, sunny on the Pacific side. There's a waterfall, there we go.
Darumbas.
Just a waterfall, you know, hanging out on the side of the road.
We're gonna hit more than one of these.
I gotta keep filming.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, so cool.
It's dark in here, boy.
We're going under a mountain in the rainforest.
Just on the other side of the Continental Divide. I wouldn't walk out there 100 feet. I don't know what you'd hit. Probably a snake. Or some spider that, one of those two-steppers.
Okay, let's see what this camera can do. There's an iguana. And I'm gonna say he's a big iguana. Because he's a huge male. Oh, he's
The
munching.
iguana eat 20% insect, 80% leaf from the fruits.
Oh, so they
Insects and leaves.
Yeah.
so they are omnivorous technically.
Yeah. Come frutas rojas e insectos.
Oh, look at him looking right at me. God, he is huge. ¿Y qué pesada es esa iguana?
No, anda más o menos como unos entre 8 a 5 kilos.
Eight,
No son pesados.
between 5 and 8 pounds, or I mean kilos, kilograms. So that's pretty big. I think I'm gonna have to wait till later to do that.
Kilos, about 7 pounds, or 5 kilos is about 7 pounds.
What? 5 kilos is 7 pounds? Okay.
2.2 every time you go up.
So if
Well, I
he,
know it's 6 pounds. It's 6 pounds.
oh, okay. So if he weighs here, so we are going down the. ¿Cómo se llama este río?
Sarapiqui.
El río Sarapiqui.
Ya. El nombre de él es un nombre indígena, Chorí. Traducido a español, Sarapiqui.
Sarapiqui. It's an indigenous
That's his
name.
river.
Yes, the Sarapiqui River.
Sarapiqui River.
Sarapiqui.
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 Sarapiqui. This is a mangrove swallow. He goes around eating all the bugs.
He's floating that
Yeah,
way.
oh, he just moved
He's
now.
gonna float that way.
Now I saw him. This is a Jesus
You can see him
lizard.
now?
Yep.
There he
Oh,
goes.
he took off.
See him go? Look at him go.
That's okay. I saw him.
I was letting him. He's got his wings up himself.
Yes.
See?
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Just incredible.
Dos
They'll run around
iguanas.
trying to hope to kill a small rat or something. These are real. They really do.
Well, that's why they're so big too. These guys eat very well.
Look how clear the water relatively is.
Yeah, it is.
It's clear as Lake Miramar.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you were saying, something about brown. This is the howler monkey.
This is the male. This is the white.
That's what I saw was because he said that he'd seen them. He said I can't really see them, but I could hear them, and they weren't making a noise like that.
¿Es el blanco es en su pompis o
Son sus testículos.
testículos? Oh. This monkey's got big white nuts.
En español le decimos huevos.
Huevos, sabe.
Muy grande huevos.
Blancos.
Grandes y blancos. Oh. Nope, they're not having it. They're not having my fake howler monkey noises.
We're not irritating them enough. They're too used to it.
Yeah, you definitely need a viewfinder.
Right. Give me some crow shit, man. I'm zooming right in on this white nut. You can sure see him right there.
Oh, I got
I
him.
can see him clear as a bell.
Sun is coming like right. Ugh. Damn. I just can't, all I can see is my own reflection.
Just aim it generally toward it, and you'll probably get lucky.
If I want to zoom in is the problem. And I can't see anything. I literally cannot see. Is it over there? Yeah, I'm just getting trees. There's no way. I had them earlier, but now there's just so much reflection.
This is the baby.
Oh? This is the baby that.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you can beach. Okay, yeah, that'll make this way. Okay, now let's see what this camera can do. Oh, there we go. Oh, that guy is awesome. What's up, dude? That's so cool. Hi. Oh. He is beautiful. So sleepy. Oh.
He can't weigh more than 5 or 6 pounds. Real low.
Well, they're just solid.
Yeah. No doubt, I'll never be cheated.
No. They're little brick houses.
Do they ever come down to the ground?
A veces bájanos.
Yeah.
¿Sí? ¿En la tierra?
Sí.
¿Sí?
Vamos por aquí. Para ver.
What's up, little homie? So freaking cute. This is a baby. I'm having a tough time seeing his face. Oh, maybe there is. Oh, what's up, baby? Oh, 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 oh. Nope, I cannot make the howler noise. That's a difficult one.
Para una persona no, a no ser que sea alérgica, entonces.
Oh, that's a cute frog.
¿Qué hacían los indígenas? Los indígenas buscaban un recipiente y ponían 15, 20 con agua. Entonces ellas empiezan a sudar y soltaban el veneno, luego agarraban la lanza, le untaban veneno, con eso cazaban, pero no era que mataba a la presa, sino que el veneno empezaba a circular en la sangre y hacía la presa más lenta y ellos mataban.
See. Oh, that's cool.
That's what the natives do?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's so cute, he's so little, man.
¿A cuáles animales usa este?
Los indígenas cazaban toda especie de animales con el veneno que extraían de las
What's
Sí.
veneno?
Probably poison. Poison, yeah.
Poison.
Yeah, veneno. That's such a cool little frog. So yeah, they took
So
their
they put the poison on their arrows,
yes.
and then they hit an animal and he slows down more and more.
Then they go get him.
And
Yeah.
then they just go get him.
Yeah.
What if you ate him though?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Your acid in your stomach would probably
Right.
just...
fruit de chilamate.
Chilamate?
Yeah, it's the chilamate is the fruit, and the fruit is the eagle. The eagle.
Fruit of the eagle?
Yeah, it's the fruit, the chilamate is the eagle.
Eagle fruit.
Yeah.
Oh! I see.
Prob-
And the monkeys eat it too.
Probably because it's so high up.
I see. Oh, that's why, just because it's so high up.
Right.
That's it. Look at them way up there. See them? All the way up.
This is the frog.
That's the frog. Wow. That little frog? Que mucho ruido de esa ranita. It's just like a little freaking red frog. That poisonous frog is making, I don't know if you can pick this up, but it is insanely loud. Holy shit. Oh, and now he's like Get out of here. I don't like you anymore. Yeah, that's cool.
Las unicornias están así. Ella brinca, 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 brinca. Y aquí deposita sus huevos. ¿Ves que tienen agua?
Oh.
Ese es un insecto, mira, un insecto.
Sí.
Y se reproducen ahí.
Y porque puedes hacer ese aquí porque las ranitas
Sí.
depositan sus...
Huevos y aquí hay agua y ellos se reproducen.
Wow. Qué interesante.
There, she's moving her head up and down.
You can still see her?
Oh yeah, she's right here.
What? Where? I cannot see her.
I think you're getting her. Give it
Oh,
to me.
yes, I am. Okay, now I see her, yeah. This is the Jesus lizard.
Jesus Cristo.
Oops.
She must be in danger of birds all the time.
Yes, but look how vigilant her head is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure nature photographers use tripods.
They don't anymore. They all do handheld because they've got that feature that balances out the wiggles. I forgot what it's called.
Yeah, this phone has that too, but apparently not enough. Oh, oh. Oh,
Oh, that came up. I thought she was getting around. I wonder if lizards can hear.
oh yeah, they have ears.
Un momento, un momento, un momento.
She has a bug crawl on her.
Okay, you got it.
I'm playing with the focus. See, when you're zoomed in, that's when it's hard to keep from shaking.
That's right.
So when they do that, I think they probably do have tripods still.
That's why I had such a hard time getting you out.
No. This is so cool.
Stay up there.
There's fish jumping here to get bugs.
Right in front of you to the left.
Come on, fishy, fishy. This is really cool. I don't think most tour guides would let me stand on the front of the boat like this. I'm literally just right on the edge. No.
He's to the left.
Oh, over there. Oh yeah, he's way up there. I don't even think the camera's picking it up.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Over your left.
And what is that? What is this? Ranina?
Tail.
Oh my gosh. So beautiful. It's like, huh? What's happening right now?
Keep your camera on it, maybe we catch you flying.
Its head is so cool. What up, bro?
I wonder what kind of butterfly that was. Say his name again, Juan. That bird.
¿Cómo se llama el pájaro?
Aninga, aninga.
You should have seen that butterfly that went right in front of you.
Aninga,
I
Aninga.
never saw one.
So yeah, we just took a boat up into the jungle on a river. Another day in the tropics. Just on the bow, hanging out, chilling. So many animals everywhere. There's, you can't see it, but there's howler monkeys up in that tree, and then like a bunch of other ones too. Cannot complain. So this is a tiger heron. He kills snakes. That's, yeah. See bugs and snakes. A little different from the herons up where we live. Yeah, he's healthy. I'm not a good wildlife photographer.
There he goes.
As Yogi Berra would say, when you come to a fork in the road, take it.
That's a good one. I forgot about that. Yogiism. You come to a fork in the road, take it. What you want, Yogi? Small. Small.
There's 100-year-old tree, at least. Can't see, but it's like 100 feet tall. At least. It is gigantic. You can see why the monkeys love them. Yeah, we are like straight up in the jungle now. This is... Oh, Tarzan. Bye. Just kidding. Like, see you guys later.
He's just following the current. Look at this current.
That is just...
Sandpiper over there.
Oh my god, this is... I just can't even... No words. This is paradise. Colors are just crazy. Jungle paradise.
Jungle boogie. Look at those red right over there. As soon as you come around, now look to your left. Quickly fill it. Oh.
Black turtle that I've been trying to capture. Oh, look at his neck. That's cool. Trying so hard to hold it still. He looks pissed. He's like, get out of my hood. Yeah, maybe that's a male. That's why he's not running off. He's like standing his ground. All the other ones just run away. Plus, this dude's pretty big.
There's a big iguana in the bushes right above it, too. Right above it to the right. That guy's pretty big. Pretty bird, pretty bird.
Oh, there he went.
Did you get him?
I think I did.
Hey, I beat one to that one, man. I told you.
Must be behind the log.
No, he was right there. You can see.
Well, from where I'm sitting, he was probably behind it.
How do you say go away in Spanish? It's vemos.
Bayate.
But huh?
Bayate.
Vayate.
Bayate.
Vayate.
En español es nutri.
Nutri?
Nutri.
El Nutri me dijo váyate.
Yeah, really. You've seen me now. Go away. Well, they'll go under, get back in there somewhere. We can raise back up and get air, and we can see. He can see us, but we can't see him.
Right.
Yeah, this is all my. Oh, right here. There's another one.
Otter? Oh.
No, it's that.
Minga. Eso de meo.
Minga.
Meo.
Ninga.
Aninga.
Aninga. So
Probably the same one. He just came back.
the female is more beautiful.
Yeah.
But smaller.
That's not, no es normal.
Yeah, usually birds are the other way around.
Yeah. How strange.
Yeah, these are all good distances for me. I can see those cliffs down there real clear.
I was figuring that.
Just as clear as a bell.
Yeah.
The air is just right. Everything.
It's so
not a bright,
comfortable.
sunny day.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah.
You could not ask for a better day.
Well, I mean, it's excellent for my eyes too.
Yeah.
My eyes, perfect lubrication. Focusing really pretty good.
Except maybe we would
And
see.
a sunken fish. Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Is he
Yeah, see
sitting?
him right here? He's got a white neck. Right there on that limb.
Oh, yes. Oh, man.
Wow, he may read him too.
Continue on Carretera Interamericana for 1.5 kilometers.
Damn, I love this camera. Cell phone camera. Just freaking crazy. What is this? The freeway right behind it is just like jetting down water. What the hell? Look at this weird thing. This is a roundabout in San Jose, Costa Rica. And I guess we're going now. Look at this freaking mountain.
Exit the roundabout onto Avenida Central.
Yeah, I'm
Continue on
one-hand driving
Avenida
in the third
Central for
world.
1.5
No
kilometers.
thanks.